Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is June the 18th and the chart of the day for today is the Nvidia. Alright, so here is a small time frame, 30 minutes. You can think of it of a 1 hour time frame here. You can see the rally starting to be losing momentum in some ways, even though it still makes a high low, but you can see the rally is not does not have a strong momentum or separation. It starts to overlap, right? Starts to staircasing. Some kind of a wedge is developing right now, and we are calling this currently within with 5 in the minor degree, subdividing into a diagonal. Now before every one of you say, well, there's an overlap 1 and 4, that is okay in a diagonal. Okay, overlap is very common in a diagonal, and it's only not allowed if it is within with 3, right? Only within with 3. Otherwise it can overlap within with 1, within with 5, within with A, and within with C. This one also another overlap 1 and 4, that is within with 5, so that is okay. All right, now let's take a look here. Once we finish this 5 swing, and then like another one, that comment that will definitely appear is that wave 3 is shorter, so it's not correct. Well, the rule doesn't say wave 3 cannot be shorter than wave 1. The rule only says wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. So if we measure 3 equal to 5, so as long as we don't actually break above this 147, which is the 100% extension, then that's okay. That means wave 5 is shorter than wave 3, which does not violate the rule. Okay, guys? So now we should be looking to finish soon. Once it is finished, we should be getting at least a 3 pullback. Now, I don't think there is any good risk to reward left for anyone to chase the upside right now, right? So I think the most prudent way is to actually wait for a bigger pullback instead of continue to chase. And definitely it's not a sell because it's never bearish. It is never bearish, therefore it's not a sell. If I zoom out on the daily time frame, you notice here that this is the all-time high in Nvidia. We're getting very close to break to new high again, which some other high stocks already did it, by the way. But you notice here this pullback here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see there is no separation of any kind. There is no 1.618 extension. This is the main connector from the peak, this one. And you see there is no 1.618 or anything. It is at the 100% extension in 7 swing and bouncing, and the rally is impulsive. So this is telling us a lot of clues, right? This structure is corrective. This structure is impulsive. So what do you think? The market is definitely not bearish. All right, it is not bearish, and therefore selling is definitely not recommended. Okay, and now if I look at the 4-hour time frame, all right, so you can see this is the low. This is the same low here in April 7, the same low that you see all indices after the the tariff war thing, right? So this rally here, there are 2 possible ways you can look at it depending on how you want. One way to look at it is that you can see this is clearly 1 and 2, right? I mean, it seems to be like a big swing down. Now you can look at it in that we are ending with 3 there, still only ending with 3 from April 7, or the other way is you can somehow force 3 and 4 somewhere here, which is kind of possible if you want to, and this is already with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now depending on how you look at it, that will determine when it is finally ending, like what we are seeing here. When we are finally ending, then you have 2 options, right? It's either you are doing with 4 pullback, which is what we are proposing here. This is with 4, so it's still only with 4 from here, 1, 2, and then now we are only ending 3. Okay, we're ending only 3, with a 4 and a 5 to come. This is in 3 waves or in 7 swing. Or if this cycle is already finished in 5 waves, now you can see there is a divergence. So technically speaking, you could actually argue that this is already 5 waves, which is possible. Like I said, I don't deny it is possible. Regardless, the main takeaway is not, oh, this is wave 3, oh, this is wave 5. The main takeaway is I think we should be near completion, either wave 3 or wave 5, and we'll see a bigger pullback. That is the key takeaway, guys. All right, it's not, oh, this has to be this wave or this that wave. In any case, look for a bigger pullback. If it is wave 4, then the pullback will not be that big. It is a decent pullback. Typically 23.6, 38.2% retracement of the wave 3. Now, depending on wave 3, where the wave 3 ends, if it continues to extend higher, let's say if the wave 3 ends slightly higher, then you mention the retracement, typically somewhere between 23.6, 38.2% retracement. But if it is ending already with 5, then you are correcting not just this rally here, but the entire rally from April 7 low. Now in that case, then the pullback is considered to be sort of wave 2, right? Entire rally. And then wave 2 can be deeper, right? Wave 2 can go to at least 38.2 retracement of the entire rally, can go to 50, can go to even 61.8% retracement. Okay, but however, whatever wave it is, the pullback should follow, as always, a 3 swings like this or a 7 swing like this. It's always going to be 3 or 7 swing because that is the structure of a correction. Okay, so that's the idea. A shorter cycle again starts to lose momentum, starts to overlap, right? The rally is kind of laborious, forming a wedge, and we should be ending soon here, either 3 or 5. Regardless, expect further downside, expect a bigger pullback to happen soon. Should you chase? Absolutely not. I don't believe chasing is a good strategy, all right, because we are getting very close to finish. Okay, so if you want to get further updates on Nvidia or any other stock, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. If you go to our website, elliottwave-forecast.com, which I will provide the link in the description of the video, you can click this one to start 14 days. You can click plans and pricing to see all the different subscription plans that we have and the differences, and then you can read there the differences between silver, gold, platinum, diamond, and then you can also check our educational courses here if you are completely new to Elliott Wave. All right, see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.